Dragon Ball Z, trouble was the word.
I got you that model kit. Why don't you go play with that?
I'm not a little kid, you know, and I'm only going to play with the model because I want to, not because you told me to.
If you say so. Oh, and you can have one juice box. I don't want you spoiling your dinner.
You're not my real mom. In case you didn't notice, and judging by the view count, you didn't. That airhead played me like a damn fiddle. We got our hands on a genuine Kotobukiya Metal Gear Rex model kit. I've been wanting a Rex model since the game originally came out, and now I can cross that off the list. This video may not be my usual fare, and it definitely won't be a regular addition to the lineup, but I couldn't help but film it. I'll meet y'all at the end of the video.
Snake, you're the only one who doesn't know. Ah, poor fool. Who are you anyway? I'll tell you everything you want to know. If you come where I am, that is. Where are you? Very close by.
Snake, that's not Master Miller.
Campbell, you're too late.
Master Miller's body was just discovered at his home. He's been dead for at least 3 days. I didn't know because my codec link with Master was cut off. But Mei Ling said his transmission signal was coming from inside the base.
So who is it?
Snake, you've been talking to...
Me, dear brother. Liquid, how the... You've served your purpose. You may die now.
Thanks for watching. I hope you can take some tips away for your next project. Come back and see us next time, when we see just how much we can get away with on the channel.